Hello my loves, it's Kasha Plannerista 101. Today we are going to be planning in my meal planner, which is the meal planner layout from the Happy Planner for the week of April 18th through the 24th. And I'm going to be using stickers with the images I purchased on Etsy, and I'm going to be decorating the spread with those. I made some of my own stickers, and first and foremost, because this is not only my meal planner but also my wellness planner, I'm going to make all of these lovely yellow dots with a dot marker, and those will be for my meds, my sleep, my steps, my mood, as well as my calories. So that's what I've been tracking in here, and I've been doing so well. So I wanted to make sure that I continue. And because a lot of these tulips are yellow, that's why I chose that yellow dot. And I was thinking about alternating it with green, but I'm just gonna keep it simple and keep it yellow, and I think it'll make me happy. Look how beautiful this hat is with all of the yellow tulips in there. It's just absolutely lovely. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this on top of this ingredients to prep, because obviously this is not something that I use. I just told you what I use those dots for, so it makes sense. I haven't been really snacking, so I'm gonna cover up that huge portion of the snacks. My snacks usually include coffee or tea, so I've been doing really well. So I just wanted to make sure that I have all the room to write, but at the same time that it's very decorative, because that's what makes me motivated to write in those. So I'm going to go ahead and cover the snack areas with bigger images. So we have these lovely rain boots with tulips, and then that beautiful flower in there. And I'm gonna go ahead and cover up that corner with the pail with tulips. It's so beautiful. And now I'm going to be removing these individual beautiful flowers one by one. So they are very fragile because they're super thin, but that's okay. If I'm careful enough, I can go ahead. Well, there we go. I jinxed myself. If I was careful enough, I was able to remove them, but I'm just super slowly removing them so I can spread them all around my page. That's my plan. At least that was my plan when I was printing these. Let's get the slightly bigger ones, because those are easier to take off without ripping. There we go. Oh, let's do a closed one. Okay, so if you are joining me for the first time on my channel, welcome. I really hope you like it here. If you have been here before and you're just joining me again to spend some more time with me, thank you so much. I really hope you like this spread. Okay, so let's continue pulling these up. I hope your guys' week is going fabulous. I hope you're getting all the things that you want accomplished, and that your planner suits you needs. That's so hard when you have a planner that doesn't really work for you. I mean, I've been doing this Franken planning for myself. This is my 3rd year doing it, and I think that changed the way I plan. I'm so much happier that I have all of these planners and compartments that I can go into based on my needs. So, but when you don't have planner piece, it's so hard. Or when you compare to others, like if you use one planner and you're comparing to me and I use 6 on a regular basis, I get it. It kind of seems insane, but for me, you can think of it as one planner with 6, like 6 different individual categories, and that's kind of how I've been doing it, and that's how it's been working for me. Otherwise, I don't think it would have worked as well, because I only do keep 1 month of the planners that I have at a time, and then I have extra sections as well, but you can think of them as sections. So I have my work, my catch-all, my creative journal, my meal planner, my social media, and my budget. So those are the planners that I carry. If you carry multiple planners like I do, or if you Frankenplan, what are your planners and what is your sections including? Because I'm always curious to see what other people do. That's kind of fun to see what everybody's doing. Okay. So right now I'm just spreading crazy amount of yellow tulips, and it's making me super happy, so that's what I'm doing. I printed so many pages of this because when I bought these images, I thought they were so lovely. I couldn't help myself. So I'm gonna add this big like patch of dirt with all of these tulip leaves and buds coming in, and I'll add another one like on Friday to Saturday, because usually that's when I skip breakfast as well. Those are my most skipped breakfast days. We will do brunch, or I will eat around lunchtime. That's usually how it goes. Let me add one more pair of boots to this, like so. Okay, I don't know if I need any more of these, so I'm just gonna label my dots for now. So M is for medicine, SL is for sleep, ST is for steps, MO is for mood, and CAL is for calories. So I'll just continue labeling those for every single day for the week. And I could have written them inside of the dots as well, but I kind of like the look for me to be able to check them off. Maybe next time I will go ahead and write this in the bubble, but I'm not sure. Okay, one more. Okay, and that's pretty much the end of my spread. I think it looks pretty great. I think there's enough pop of color behind that gray to kind of make it look really good. Let's see if I can add washi to this to make it even more, to make it even stand out a little bit more. So let's see. I'm gonna go ahead and add that yellow right to the bottom, like so. Let's see what that looks like. I'll do both sides so I can see at the same time. You guys see this? I ripped it. I ripped my washi. Okay, so let's take a look what this looks like. Let's add it to both sides before I pull back and kind of look at it. So let's see. Oh, I don't think I like it. It's kind of too yellow. It's not the same tone and it's ruining my vibe. So I'm gonna take it off and call it a day. And then I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment. I really love everybody's comments. And I will see you soon for another Plan With Me video very soon. Thanks for sticking around and watching. Have a great day. Bye.